friends, what's up? So welcome back to my channel, Sridhar Sangat. So today video is about my visit to Red Road restaurant in Guntur according to my perspective. These restaurants come with new innovative ideas to attract their customers. Nowadays, we are going to restaurant not to fill our tummy, but to fill our social media status. My mother started me asking questions like, which state capital is Calcutta? Yeah. Why the space is between the train tracks? On which principle the train runs? Etc. 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 Blah 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 blah. My experience in a railroad restaurant with my mother, in between the time they served us, she screwed me by asking questions. After leaving the restaurant, I got an idea. If I keep like this a hotel, how to get customers more. I got the concept of jail. Yeah, the concept of jail idea. It will be nice. Yeah, I know it's so crazy. No need to say.